Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And all you have to do right now is simply tap on the settings icon, so let's do it. Now let's tap on the languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of languages which are currently set on our keyboard, so we've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got a lot of options to choose from. All you have to do right now is simply find the language you'd like to use, you'd like to apply, and tap on it. And I will pick Arabic, so simply tap on it. And as you can see now, I can choose the region. So just again tap on the one you'd like to use. Here you can choose the keyboard, but let me leave it like this and tap on Done. As you can see, it immediately appears on our list. So now we can go back to the keyboard, and as you can see, I hope that you can see the differences, because here we've got two of them. First of all, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so now we've got English. What's more, next to the spacebar we've got the new icon, globe icon, which means that after tapping on it we can easily switch the languages. So now I am typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. It is also notified on the spacebar. Let's tap on it again and I can switch to the English. So actually this is how to add a new language to your keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because maybe you do not need two different languages applied. So simply go back to the settings, just tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon right here. Now let's tap on the language you'd like to remove, make sure that it is marked like here, and tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see, it immediately disappears from our list. So we can go back to the keyboard and let's check. As you can see, the spacebar is empty and we have no globe icon, so it means that we can only type in English and we cannot swipe to another language. So actually that's all. This is how to add a language and change the keyboard language in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.